One day, your child will stop asking for your advice, stop listening to your rules, and start rolling their eyes when you speak. Not because you failed, but because something slowly broke without you noticing. If your kids don't respect you anymore, don't panic. Today, I'll show you 6 powerful strategies used by emotionally strong parents to rebuild respect without yelling, threatening, or losing control. Stay till the end, because the last one changes everything. Let me be real with you. In today's world, phones, social media, Netflix, peer pressure, parenting is harder than ever. Many parents feel ignored in their own homes, disrespected at the dinner table, talked back to in public. If that's you, you're not weak. You're just using outdated tools in a modern world. Let's fix that. 1. Stop demanding respect. Start leading. The fastest way to lose respect? Begging for it. Saying things like, "Because I said so," "You better listen," "I'm your parent." That creates fear, not respect. Strong parents lead calmly. Lower your voice. Slow your reactions. Stay emotionally controlled. Kids naturally respect emotional strength more than loud authority. Leadership attracts respect. 2. Give them respect first. This is uncomfortable, but powerful. If you mock your child, they learn sarcasm. If you embarrass them, they learn resentment. If you shout, they learn aggression. But when you speak calmly, listen fully, correct with dignity, you teach them what respect actually looks like. Kids mirror behavior. Be the standard. 3. Stop over-talking and over-explaining. Many American parents over-negotiate. Too many words equals weak boundaries. You don't need a 10-minute speech. Say it clearly. That behavior is not okay. And stay consistent. Confidence speaks louder than explanations. Strong boundaries build strong respect.
4. Build relationship before discipline. Here's the truth. Disconnected kids don't respect rules. Before correcting behavior, connect emotionally. Sit with them. Ask real questions. Listen without checking your phone. When kids feel emotionally safe with you, they cooperate more. Connection creates influence. 5. Let natural consequences teach them. Stop rescuing your kids from every mistake. If they forget homework, let them face school consequences. If they waste money, let them feel the result. If they break trust, rebuild it slowly. You're raising adults, not babies. Responsibility creates maturity. Maturity creates respect. 6. Upgrade yourself first. This is the game changer. Kids respect growth. When you control your temper, work on your goals, stay healthy, keep learning, show discipline, they see you as a role model. Not just mom or dad, but a leader. Self-respect creates external respect. One day your kids won't remember what toys you bought, what phone you upgraded, what vacations you paid for. They will remember how you treated them, how safe they felt around you, how you made them believe in themselves. So stop trying to control. Start inspiring. Stop forcing respect. Start becoming unforgettable. If this helped you today, hit like so more parents can learn this. Subscribe for real-life wisdom. Comment stronger parent if you're committed to growth, because better parents build better America.